Germany is a country in Central Europe known for its rich history, strong economy, and influential culture. Here's a comprehensive overview. Basic facts. Official name: Federal Republic of Germany, Bundesrepublik Deutschland, capital, Berlin. Population, around 83 million, 2025 estimate. Language, German. Government, Federal Parliamentary Republic. Currency, Euro. Time zone, Central European Time, CET, Central European Summer Time, CEST. Geography. Borders, Denmark, North Poland and Czech Republic, East, Austria and Switzerland, South, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands, West. Landscape, a mix of forests, rivers like the Rhine and Danube, mountain ranges, Alps in the south and northern plains. Climate, temperate seasonal climate, cool winters and warm summers. History highlights Holy Roman Empire, dominated Central Europe for centuries until 1806. Unification, unified in 1871 under Otto von Bismarck. World wars, played central roles in both World War I and World War II. World War II ended in 1945 with the division of Germany. Cold War, divided into West Germany, Federal Republic, and East Germany, communist state under Soviet influence. Reunification, happened in 1990 after the fall of the Berlin Wall, 1989. Economy, largest economy in Europe and one of the top 5 globally. Industries, automotive, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, engineering, chemical, pharmaceuticals, green technology, and finance. Exports, machinery, vehicles, chemicals, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. Culture, philosophy, and arts, home to thinkers like Kant, Nietzsche, and Hegel, composers like Beethoven, Bach, and Wagner. Literature, Goethe and Schiller are major literary figures. Beer culture, known for the Reinheitsgebot, beer purity law, and events like Oktoberfest in Munich. Christmas markets, famous worldwide for festive markets and traditions. Politics, federal system, 16 federal states, Bundesländer, each with its own government. Current political system, multi-party democracy. Major parties include CDU, CSU, SPD, Greens, FDP, and AfD. Chancellor, the head of government. As of 2025, Olaf Scholz leads a coalition government. Education and innovation, strong emphasis on vocational training and engineering. World-class universities and research institutions, e.g., Max Planck Society, Fraunhofer Institutes. Tourism and attractions, Berlin, capital with museums, history, and nightlife. Munich, Bavarian culture, Oktoberfest, and the Alps. Romantic Road, a scenic route through medieval towns and castles. Black Forest, Neuschwanstein Castle, Rhine Valley, iconic landscapes and cultural sites.